humbly request our chief guest Yukt ji to come on the stage and share some kind words of wisdom to motivate our children and all of us present here.
Your children are the students of this school? All of you? So you all are married? आज पूछना पड़ता है. Are you all married? Why did you all get married? Swamiji, why are you asking all these things? Friends, as you all heard, I am a mentor in a couple of colleges. And I have committed myself to the service of the youth and young parents. Believe me, friends, the condition outside of the youth are not too good. Even as I tell you, I have a very strong emotion which runs within when I hear children, especially the girl childs, come and speak to me of the challenges that they are going through. Why am I telling you all today? You have an opportunity now. You have an opportunity now. Now you are all parents. I'll ask you, if you want to draw, what is it that you should know? If you want to draw, you have to know drawing. Agreed? If you want to cycle, what do you need to know? Cycling. If you want to be an engineer, what do you have to do? Engineering. So if you have to be a parent, what is it that you are supposed to know? Parenting. Tell me, who among you all have done your course on parenting? Now imagine if an engineer without studying, going through engineering, will build a bridge. What will be the fate of that bridge a few years down the line? Collapse. Why? He has not gone through the formal education of engineering. My dear parents, similarly, we have to empower ourselves with the subject of parenting. Nobody needs to tell a parent how to love their child. But parenting is a subject which we will have to learn. We are not born parents. And what we are seeing outside in the world, in colleges especially, is a very bad version of parenting. And that bad version has not happened deliberately. Innocently, out of love for the children, the parents have made a mistake. Simple question. See, I have only about 10-15 minutes to talk today. But ma'am has said that we can see how we can have a a proper session sometimes on the topic of parenting. At that time, we'll talk elaborately. In the colleges, what is observed is that there is a big disconnect between the parents and the children. There is no session which I have had where a girl child has not come up to me and said, Swamiji, thank you, I was contemplating suicide. The first few sessions of my college were that I went back to my center crying in the car. I was shocked to see the state of the youth. Second, somehow certain wrong concepts have made a house in their heart and mind which are absolutely detrimental to their future. A college child cannot be altered by the parent. There we will need an outside agency to work on them. But right now you have an opportunity. The mobile phone is not meant for playing games. It is not meant for conversation for 1 hour. It is meant only to communicate. What we do is exactly what the child will do. The child doesn't hear you, okay? आप जो बोलते हो वो बच्चे को सुनाई नहीं देता है. बच्चा वही देख करता है जो उसको दिखाई पड़ता है. How you behave, the words that you use, the gestures that you have, the child picks up that. We all feel we know a lot. We all feel we know everything. Especially if the bank balance is good, so don't ask. We feel we know everything. Be careful. We have to be very, very careful. One simple story, it's a story but very, very, very thought-provoking. There was a family of a husband, wife and a child and the father of the man, the old grandfather. Whenever the husband would come home and ask the wife, first thing was, how is dad? So she would give a report, aaj kaisa tha. One day when he came in and he spoke to her, she said, I don't know, today he had a bell. If he wanted something, he has to ring the bell, she will go to attend him. So she said, today he didn't ring the bell at all. So he said, he has not rung the bell and you have not even bothered to check up with him. She was not interested in all this. She said, now that you have come, you attend. When he went to see his father, the father was in absolute dilapidated state. He said, Dad, you didn't ring the bell. You should have rung the bell. Na? He said, what to do? Your son came and took the bell away. So he called the son. Why did you take grandfather's bell? He said, the grandfather was ringing it quite often and I was scared it will get spoiled. If it gets spoiled, when you become old, what will I give you? Don't play the fool now. It will hurt you first. This is not a joke. This is something to be very serious about. More so in today's time where the negative forces are at play with our children's mind and heart. The worst is the OTT channels, where nonsense is normalized. A child grows up thinking adultery is normal, सबका घर में होता है. You see in OTT channels, कोई दूध दही कुछ पीता ही नहीं है, खाता ही नहीं है. सुबह उठ के they want a drink. I have seen one OTT web series where वहाँ का काम वाले भी आके पहला ड्रिंक मार के चालू करती. What kind of culture है? किसके घर में ये होता है भाई? Extra marital affairs कितना घरों में होता है, which they show it as though it is happening in every house. What does our child grow up thinking? कि ये सब normal है तो मैं भी करूँगा तो? Parenting is not a joke. अपना एक अंग काटना पड़ता है अगर आपको अपने बच्चों को अच्छा नागरिक बनाना चाहते हो तो. Each one of us think that हमें पता है, but there is much more to know than what we know. Simple, I'll ask you a question, then we will end it for you to get an idea of what I'm talking about. If I ask you what time did the sun rise today, what will you tell me? Some will say 5:30, some will say 6 o'clock, and some don't know because they say 12 o'clock, jab jaga tab savera. But if I'll ask you who is right, the one who said 5:30 or 6 o'clock, what will you tell me? Then who is right? The one who will tell me, Swamiji, the sun didn't rise, it is the earth which moved, he is giving the right answer. The earth moved or the sun rose? Earth moved or the sun rose? Earth moved. But what do we say? What do we see? What do we feel? Watching the sun rise is an illusion. It's a dream state, it's an illusion, it is not happening. The earth moving is a reality and we don't feel at all, we are completely oblivious to it. This is the reality, friends. We are living in an illusion. And one of the illusion is I know. And please, you all are all in a very beautiful school. Respect the teachers, respect the admin. I have seen parents come fighting to the teacher with the child. What you are doing, fighting against the teacher for your child, in front of the child, you are digging the grave of your child's future. I am not mincing my words, I am telling you a fact. जो भी problem है, that can be spoken. But if you come with a sense of entitlement, children say, I just got to know, children say, हमने तो फीस बढ़ा है. ये थॉट बच्चों के दिमाग में कहाँ से आया? फ्रॉम द पेरेंट. व्हाट इज द पेरेंट डूइंग? ये प्रसाद जो आपके मन, बच्चों का मन में जाता है, वो माता पिता को ही बाद में ग्रहण करना पड़ता है. सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, whenever we have a session on parenting, please make it a point, at least one among the two, if both can't come, fine, if one among the two, please attend it. Please make a serious note of it, so that we have children who will seriously contribute not just to community, society, but the country at large. ये हमारे कंट्री का फ्यूचर हमारे बच्चे हैं. Merely becoming rich doesn't make one happy. Blessings are not served on a platter. We have to earn the blessings. Blessings are earned by doing what is right. In our lives, friends, we have always two options. दो विकल्प हमारे लाइफ में हमेशा होता है. At any point of time before we do anything. One, what I like to do. One, what I have to do. And most of the time, we give a display to the child that I do what I like to do over and above what I have to do. So even when the child grows, he grows up with the thought that I have to do what I like to do over and above what I have to do. What is what I have to do? My kartavya karma towards my parents, my children, my wife, my husband, my in-laws, my neighbors, my society, my country, myself. पढ़ाई करना है, कल एग्जाम है, लेकिन आज मन कर रहा है क्या? आइसक्रीम खाओ, OTT चैनल देखो. All of us, even in our office also, we have to do something, but we end up doing something else. The one person who establishes himself in doing what he has to do, that person alone is successful. Most of them live a mediocre life and die a mediocre death. आए गए रहे किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं है. If you want to make a serious impact to your family, to yourself and the society and country, we have to establish ourselves in our duties, in our kartavya karma. Whose child has told you that, any parent whose child told, mother, I want to come in this world? Anyone? हम नहीं लाया ना उनको. Whenever there is a guest at home, how do we treat our guests? We do everything what the guest wants, not what I want. Your child is that guest. Your every moment of your life should be for your child. You bring up your child that way, you will have a hero in your child. There's a lot more. When we meet, there will be a formal way of how we'll go through the entire thought flow of how we can be a good parent. Not that you all are not, but we all have a scope to. इतना serious मत बनना, अभी आपको बहुत हंसना है. But I don't get too many opportunities with you. You are all very beautiful. My salutations, love and respect to each one of you. But we have scope. Let's work on it and make this great life count. Okay? Thank you very much. And thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Hari Om.